Okay, so I've already embroidered this, but I'm going to show you. This is going to be the, this is a 7.5 by 12.5 hoop that I have on here. And as you know, these sizes are not in the machine. So this is a Ricoma EM1010. I'll show you what I do to make this work. I have not added new hoop sizes to my machine. I'll look into doing that, but the way that I work around this, and I've been doing it and it works fine for me. I actually saw someone else do the same thing. So what I do is I go here into the settings. Hold on, let's take this off. So go here into the settings, and for the hoop size, I don't know if you can see that. Let me turn this light down, I'm sorry. Okay, so we have the hoop sizes here. So again, this is a, you can see here, 195 by 315. So I will go here and find one that's bigger than the size of the hoop. So this is 195 by 315. So what I'll do is choose F, which is 490 by 345. So this one is too small, 310 by 210, because this is, again, 195 by 315. The 315 and the 310, of course, that's too small. And same thing here, that's 270 by 270. So I just choose F, which is that one. And I'm gonna click OK. So move the hoop around. But what I do, once I have that set, hope you can follow this pretty good. I'm sorry, let's go out of there. Okay, and I always just start on needle 1. So that put my machine at needle 1. And I have my design on here, but what I'll do is I'll move over to the center. And again, this is already embroidered, but I just wanted to show you how this can work without adding the size to your machine. Let's speed this up a little bit. Okay. So I'm going to say that's about centered right there. You're going to center your design. Don't worry about the frame being centered on the machine. Center your design with whatever needle you start on. And once I have that there, then I'm just going to do a trace. And that's not dead center, but you still can see that it traced in the area that it should be embroidering, and it's not going to hit the hoop. If you need any more videos for me to try to show you, then I can make another video. But yeah, that's it.